So I'm going to be building a space station rocket. It will have a small, complete space station in it. So let's get started. So first it's going to be 6 wide at the bottom, like this. Well, actually, it's going to be 10 wide at the bottom, like this, right here. We're going to have this right here. It's going to be black. Then we're going to add engines with 8 wide. We're going to be doing that. I think it's a cool design. So let's put this here and make sure this is not visible. Then let's add our engines like this. Oh, those were not that. These are the engines. Going to add them. We need a lot of power. We're going to make it look better by doing this. We're going to add fins so that the engines don't look massive. Sorry if I'm not talking much. It's just because I'm just kind of don't know what to say. I don't know why I said I'm, but I did on accident. We're adding these to make it look better. Let's also move this out of the screen so we can see better. I don't know if you saw me move it because it might not be visible on screen recording. Why is this not centered? Okay, there, that's better. Anyways, I'm going to add engines like this. That looks good. So, here's that. Let's add our first stage. Make sure this has fuel. Nope, don't want to duplicate it. Yep, it has fuel. For the next stage, we're going to need a 10 wide stage separator. So we're going to add 2 strong engines because there's going to be like a lot of power. And we're going to make this white because the rocket is black and white, kind of like the old days TVs. We're going to add a 10 wide fuel tank on here. Wait, is that not how it goes? Oh yeah, it isn't. Now that's better. Okay. And then we need about 3 stages or more, which is how many stages you need to get to space. And then we're just gonna copy this and make it black. We're also going to get rid of 1 engine and put it right there. Then we are going to add fairings, which will keep the cargo in there. I'm gonna make it this tall. Okay, there. So we are going to be adding a probe at the top so that you can see. And below it, and like in the middle of the space station, is going to be a captain's part, which is also so that you can control the space station. Then we're going to add these. We're going to drain all the fuel. We're going to drain a little bit of the fuel since we won't need that much. Let's put it down to half, like 10.8 tons. Make it black because I think it looks good. And then we're going to add one of these small things, this small fuel tank. Also put it to 10. Also put it to like 10. Well, the half is 7.39 tons, so I guess I'll make it like that. And since we're only going to be using one fuel tank, we'll drain all that, actually. And then we will add a small engine. We're going to add this stage separator, like this. And finally, let's add the solar panels. We're going to flip this and put it like that. So now it's complete. So we're going to launch. Well, actually, we need a parachute. Well, no, we won't, since we're not going to be returning back. And we will add a controlling part here so that we can control this rocket. We're going to have to turn these on manually since I forgot to add the stage things. So anyways, here we go. Going to turn to 45, actually now 60. I guess we're going fast. And stage separate. We're already good to get into orbit. I'm pretty sure this should work. Going to detach this stage and turn on this engine. So now we're going to go completely horizontally. This will help get us into orbit. I hope we have enough fuel too. I think we will. It's not going to be a perfect orbit, but we will still be in orbit. Here, that's good. Turn, detach, and switch. Okay. So here we are, and we're in orbit. Solar panels. Okay, there. We've done it. Well, I was going to make the rocket go back down, but I guess we can't. Okay, yes, we're in stable orbit. I think we might need to... I think we'll try to make it so that we don't go into the atmosphere, which is going to be better. I don't want to reach escape velocity, because then that would be bad. That should be good. That should be good. Well, still enters the atmosphere, but... And we're still going to orbit around the Earth, which is good.